Hey, how you doing, folks? This is Richard, showing you a couple CHI model 2217 flush insulated doors. Super clean. This is a brown color right here. So let's go ahead and raise it up. Now these doors, they have an R value of a 17.5. It's pretty high, so you guys in the regions where it's really cold, this is a good door for you guys. Definitely the door, they're formed from a 27 gauge galvanized steel. The interior of the door is a 27 gauge steel. High density CFC-free polyurethane injected core. That's your insulation. They come with some long-lasting, durable polyurethane nylon rollers. Yeah, they're real clean. They're really nice. Installed some LiftMaster 8550s to operate these bad boys. Raise that small door up. So this is the model 2217 CHI. Thanks, guys.